Have you ever thought that you had an intimate understanding of what your customers want, only to be told by the customer that once you've already built the product or service, that that's not really what they wanted? Even worse, have you been given a detailed specification by the customer, and when you deliver exactly what they asked for, they're still unhappy? If you're anything like me, the previous has happened to you over the years. Hi, I'm Johan Botha. I'm the author of Competing in a Digital Future and 16 other books, and I've helped people all over the world to make sense of competition in the digital world. The problem is that customer requirements are often not understood by the customer themselves, and I found it a very valuable exercise to help customers understand and articulate their needs. In this workshop, we will show you a simple method to do just that. It's called Jobs to be Done, and it's the most meaningful resource that you will find anywhere to clearly define real customer requirements. We've built a short version of Jobs to be Done that we can show you how to use in less than 3 hours. This workshop caters for busy people who cannot afford to take a day off or days off from the office. So we created 2 versions of the workshop, one that will run during the week and one that will run on a Saturday. It is light on theory and focuses on practical application. As a bonus, we will also provide you with some of our templates that we use to do our work, so you can get going super fast and super easy. The workshop is between 2 and 3 hours. We've also made participating attractive with a deeply discounted price of less than 70 euros. And as an extra bonus, we'll throw in the ebook copy of Competing in a Digital Future. So if you think this workshop is for you, click the link below.